Alright, good day again, people. We're going to work the final question, which was h of f of 3. Very interesting. H of f of 3. Right? Now, a question like this, you can think of it both ways. You can just find f of 3, which was 47, then you punch f of, two ways you can do it. We have h of f of 3 here. However, what was h of f of x? We can either look at it like this. You can either say, alright, because of h of f of 3 and h of f of x, the only thing is that they change the x here to a 3. So I can write the equation for h of f of x and then substitute 3 in it. So h of f of x was 50x squared plus 16 all over 15x squared plus 6, because that's what we got for h of f of x, right? No, on h of f of x we're working with h of f of 3. So that simply means, looking at this, you see the difference? We change the x here to 3, so we need to change the x in this. This function that we have here is not h of f of x. It's not h of f of 3. It is actually h of f of x. So to find h of f of 3, I now need to change all of these x's to 3. So I can now go and put a bracket 3 here and a bracket 3 here as well. Right? Then now we continue to working it out. So again, as you know, we always work out the bracket first. So put back the 50. And 3 squared is actually 9, so I put 9 in the bracket. Then put back the plus 16. Then now put back the 15. Bracket 9 plus 6. And then we can just work. Oh, a rain come? Is that rain? Okay, so cat don't get wet. Anyway, so we now need to simplify out this and then we get our answer. So 50 times, no, before I do that, I'm going to pause and have you guys work this out with the calculator, then we come back. Alright, so we have rain, but anything we're doing is here visually, so I don't think we should be that lost. So 50 times 9, we can multiply 50 times 9, or better, I'm going to pause the video and then we come back to, alright, better, let's just count them. So 9 times 0 is 0, 9 times 5 is 45, so 50 times 9 is 450, right? Then I put back the plus 16, then 15 times 9, 9 5s 45, so I put the 5 and carry the 4, 9 1s 9, plus 4 is a 13. So therefore, 9 times 15 is 135. Then I put the plus 16. My apologies, this is not 16, we had a 6 here, sorry. Which is plus 6 here, so I put back the plus 6 here. Then now we just finish adding it. So we can add the 450 plus the 16. 6 and 0 is just 6. 1 and 5 is just 6 again. I put back the 4. So 450 plus 16 is 466. I'm just adding the top numbers out of my head, but you guys should use the calculators and get this. Then now 135 plus 6. So you can say 6 plus 5 is 11. So you put the 1 and carry a 1. Then 3 and 1 is 4. And then 1. So therefore, for this bottom number here, we got 466 over 141. So therefore, h of f of 3, sorry, is equal to 466 over 141. So that's how we go about a question like this. So we found h of x already. So all we needed to do is write back the function h of f of x, and then I substitute 3 anywhere x is. Right? So again, these are the little things that we're talking about. You may work out more than you need to do. So if you live here and the shop is here, and so let's say you live here and the shop is here, why would you go to this point then to the shop when you could simply just move from your house directly to the shop? Short, I'm not joking. So again, sometimes when I get some questions, you know, just pay attention, because for some of the questions you actually don't need to do much work. As some people would input f of x into this again, and then they substitute the 3 after. You don't need to do that. Can you find h of f of x already? Then you just change the x to 3. And that's that. So I hope you guys learned a lot, and this should be it for composite functions, and hope to see you guys next time.